Base44 is a no-code platform for building apps, tools, and MVPs similar to Bubble, Softer, or Glide. It supports PayPal integration primarily through PayPal checkout, buttons, subscriptions, one-time payments, or PayPal API for more advanced flows. Step-by-step guide. Create or log in to PayPal business account. Go to paypal.com, sign up or log in, upgrade to business account if needed, free. Verify your email, phone, and link a bank account required for payouts. Get your client ID in secret for API use. Dashboard, developer, dashboard, developer, paypal.com, my apps and credentials, live tab, create app, copy client ID, and secret. In Base44, add PayPal integration. Log into your Base44 dashboard. Open your project or app. Go to integrations or plugins, left sidebar or settings menu. Search for PayPal, click add or connect. Paste your PayPal client ID and secret. Choose mode, Soundbox for testing, or live, real payments. Save. Set up payment elements. In Base44 editor, drag a button, payment, or form component to your page. Set action to PayPal checkout or create PayPal order. Configure, amount, fixed, dynamic from database or user input, currency, success, and failure, redirect URLs. Optional, enable subscriptions, recurring billing, or PayPal Pay Later. Test and go live. Use PayPal Sandbox accounts. Create test buyer and seller in developer.paypal.com to test payments. Switch to live credentials. Publish your app. Real payments now flow through PayPal. Funds appear in your PayPal balance, minus fees, 2.9%, plus 30 cents per transaction in US.